Today on the Humble Sequin, we're going to learn how to take a pair of regular fishnets and turn them into a pair of roll top fishnets for that ultimate butt lift. So what you're going to need today is you're going to need a pair of fishnets. I prefer a professional dance net, so it's a little bit stronger, but you can use any kind of fishnet stocking. Just to note, this won't work on regular stockings, it needs to be fishnets. You're also going to need some elastic that matches the color of your stockings. You're going to need a pair of scissors, trusty sewing kit, or really just needle and thread, and you might find a little measuring tape will come in handy as well. So, what we're going to do today is we're going to start by taking a pair of fishnets. Now, I would suggest if you've never done this before, you might want to buy a size up compared to what you would normally wear. It's just going to make this whole process a little bit easier. And to grab your scissors. Now, don't be afraid now, but literally what we're going to do is we're going to start at the crotch. We're going to cut on the crotch, and we're going to cut as high up on that leg as we can. And don't be afraid, just literally go for it. Great. We're going to do the same on the other leg. So just nice and high. You might think, oh no, what will I do with this piece now? Well, guess what? Do hold on to this because that is going to be a great way to have a little wig cap to keep your hair nice and tidy under your wig. So no need to get rid of that. Although for today, we don't need it. Okay, so what we're going to need to do is you're going to take this elastic. We're going to just wrap it around your thigh, nice and, oh, there we go, nice and high. And you want to just see how much you can get around the top of your thigh a little bit firm. So think you want something that's going to hold it up, but nothing that's going to cut your circulation off. So now I'm going to take this and I'm just going to cut. I'll also give myself maybe an extra centimetre just for overlap there. And then I'm going to cut a second piece because I'm hoping to God that my thighs are the same size. That's a second piece. Great. Don't need this bit. Okay, so here's the fun part. So what you're going to do is you've got your single leg here and your piece of elastic. We are literally just going to weave this elastic through the fishnet. So I've kind of gone maybe about 3 diamonds down, something like that. I'm just going to I'm going to take this and I'm going to continue this weaving motion going all the way around the stocking. So the great thing about doing these roll top fishnets, as I mentioned earlier, they are going to give you the ultimate butt lift. The idea behind these is it's about getting rid of that horrible waistband line that you're going to see with a pair of pantyhose. And instead these ones are going to suck you up underneath your butt, make your butt look amazing, perfect for a good shimmy on stage. And they're comfortable too. So some people have actually asked me, can you use the waistband from your existing fishnets to do this with? I know for some people that's a strategy that's worked. I found personally when I did that, I probably almost cut off the circulation in my thighs. I just found that the elastic from the waistband was just not quite enough. Great. And then it's nice and easy. I'm just going to need to stitch my 2 pieces together. I'm going to get my needle and thread. Here's my thread and my needle. I'm just going to cut off a little bit of thread. If you've got a sewing machine, you can totally do this on a sewing machine. I've just assumed that you might not have one, so we're just going old school hand sewing. Make sure they're nice and even, and I'm just going to overlap there, and I'm literally going to, and you can go as pretty or as ugly as you like. Just, oh, not to pulling so hard. We're just going to stitch over this So normally what I would do is draw almost like a bit of a box shape with a cross in the end of it. But whatever works for you there. Just need it enough to make sure it's going to be secure. Just go get a bit of that old in and out that we love so much. There we go. Now, if I pull that out, get that elastic all the way through. This one's going to be good to go. So you'll see when I put it on, but basically what we're going to do is it's just going to roll down over itself once it's on your leg, and that's what's going to allow it to stay up. So now we need to do the other one. We're going to get a bit of elastic. We're just going to weave it. Number 2 stocking, we're just going to stitch that one together exactly the same way we did the first one. So I'm just going to lay those over. Done this pretty rough. You could obviously do a nicer job, but on stage nobody's going to tell. That's the great thing about performance. You can be held up together with rough stitching, safety pins, gaffer tape. Nobody's gonna know. And so now that's my completed pair of roll top stockings. Let's have a look at what they look like in person.